Hello guys! Welcome to Virgo Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. Bale, search mo lang siya sa Facebook guys. Check mo yung Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter mo sa natal chart mo. Okay? So anyway, this is for Virgo. Let's start your reading. By the way, may nakikita ko ngayon parang 500 pesos. So, I don't know kung while watching na may hawak ka bang 500 pesos or what. Or nasa bulsa mo. This could be your reading. Or kababayad mo lang ng something. Anyway, Major Arcana, you do have here the Empress. By the way, hindi ako nag-read ng reversal, pero pag naramdaman ko yung energy na kailangan siyang basahin ng reversal, I would read it in reversal. Four of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and one more card. You do have here the High Priestess. Bottom of the deck is the King of Wands and the Star. Six of Swords. Yeah. Some of you could be a businessman, businesswoman, babae, or lalaki. Some of you, nakikita natin, could be a spiritual healer or marunong kang manggamot din, no? And yung panggagamot kahit sa anong paraan, maybe you are a nurse, a doctor, or yung iba healer na spiritual, or yung iba pwedeng manghihilot. Magaling ka maghilot. And I'll just give you an idea, no? Or something na may kinalaman sa palmistry. If you do have these lines, and this is healer lines. So if you do have this, maybe this is your reading. Yung dito sa parte sa ilalim ng pinky area, which is, yeah, meron din po ako niyan because of course, this pagtatarot na ginagawa natin is also part of healing or spiritual healing na masasabi, ano. So anyway, with the Four of Pentacles, nakikita natin that for now, hindi ko masabi kung ikaw ba currently nakafocus sa pag-iipon or itong ipon mo ay ikaw ay ginagastos mo for something with the Knight of Swords, maybe investment or maybe travel na maybe pinag-ipunan mo, and then this is the time na parang gusto mo na siyang gastusin for this particular thing right here. And with the High Priestess, nakikita natin malakas yung iyong spiritual knowledge, or maybe bukas ang iyong third eye, I don't know, or you are feeling a lot of energies lately, no, spiritual energies lately. Pwedeng ikaw ito na kailan lang nakakaramdam ka ng mga spiritual na bagay. And you are the Empress, by the way. You are the Empress. Nakikita natin yung kagalingan mo, yung kahusayan mo pagdating sa ginagawa mo. You look so pretty, babae man or lalaki. You attract a lot of people. Ang dami mong na-attract because sa ginagawa mo. Yung iba, wala man lang ka, alam mo yun, yung kahit wala kang kaayos-ayos, maybe for now, natutunan mo tanggapin ko ang itsura mo, and that you are proud of what you are and what you have. And nagre-reflect yon, nakikita yon ng mga tao sa paligid mo, and also they are proud of you. They see you as someone na parang sana gayahin ka ni ganito, sana gayahin ka ng mga anak ko, or what. They see you as someone na karespe-respeto, and marami ang humahanga talaga sa'yo. The King of Wands, for some of you, it could be, if you are in a business, career, nakikita natin na may mga pangarap ka na unti-unti mo nang ginagawa ng action para maabot ito. The Six of Swords. No one can stop you. No one can stop you. And the Ten of Wands, although marami ka responsibilidad, you do have the Justice card. This is also a major arcana. Ayan. So, kahit marami ka responsibilidad, when you want something, at gagawin mo na paraan para gawin ito. So, pagdating sa pangarap mo yun, gusto mo yun, gagawin mo yung best mo para ma-achieve yun. Okay? So, moving on. What are the challenges? Challenges for you, Virgo. Ano yung mga challenges for you? For Virgo, please. You do have here the Sun. And the Knight of Cups. And the Devil. Of course, that's two major arcana with the Sun and the Devil. I feel like ang challenges for you is that pag nakuha na ng mga tao, this is like these people, hindi lang isa, maybe a lot of them, kung sino man, yan, itong Knight of Cups, kung sino man ito na nakuha yung kiliti mo, yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo, whatever, makakapagpatawa sa'yo, maipapakita mo yung kung sino ka talaga sa kanila. Like maybe you are a close person or a secretive person or someone na hindi masyadong nakikipag-open, or hindi masyadong nakikipagtawanan. But once na nakuha nila yung kiliti mo, they are the devil, and they can easily manipulate you. Kayang-kaya kanilang imanipula. So that's your challenge. And also, yun na rin yung pinaka-weakness na nakikita natin sa'yo. Mahina ka. Kasi, pagdating sa part na ito, na itong mga taong ito, nakuha yung trust mo, nakuha yung everything about you. Kayang-kaya ka na nila paikutin sa kamay nila. And, nagtatagumpay sila dun with the Nine of Wands. But, I feel like you are still protected. Hindi ako, alam mo yon, hindi ako nakakuha ng energy na dapat kang mangamba or what, because protektado ka eh. You do have the Justice card, and you will find out the truth about these people or person's intention. So, kung ano man yung mga ginagawa nila, na ipagmamanipula sa'yo, malalaman nila, lalabas at totoo. And that, you do have the Judgment. So, meron kang mga spirit guides behind you or beside you. Nandyan lang palagi sa paligid mo. No? You would feel these spirit guides na parang nakamasid sa'yo, nakatingin sa'yo. And if you do have third eye, sometimes nagpapakita sa'yo, but for what I can see here, sila mismo yung gagawa ng paraan para umalis itong mga taong ito na nagmamanipula sa'yo. Okay? Paano? I can see fight, pakikipag-away, pakikipaglaban. With the Five of Wands, so pwede magkaroon ng particular away na maging dahilan para itong mga taong ito lumayo sa'yo, because pwedeng sasabihan ka nila na, kumbaga parang, hindi nila, ano tawag dito? Can you see this energy right here is picture? Ayan, parang this is your spirit guides and this is you. This is you. Ayan, kung makikita mo yung number, it's 10 and 10. Ayan, it's a Roman numeral 10. So, dalawang 10 yan. So, ibig sabihin parang, whatever kind of ending na dapat mangyari sa buhay mo, mangyayari yun sa buhay mo dahil tutulungan ka nila na parang, oy, kailangan mo nang i-end yung connection mo with the devil. So, pwede magkaroon ng pag-aaway, pagkakagulo with the Five of Wands. Pero yun ay kailangan. Yun ay dapat mangyari with the Hierophant. This is you with the Hierophant. Dahil parang matututunan mo kung paano alisin itong mga tao sa buhay mo by the help of your spirit guides and angel guides. But anyway, ano yung advice sa'yo? Ano yung advice sa'yo? Ano ang advice sa ating mga Virgo, summarizing Venus, Jupiter, Virgos? Nine of Pentacles is here. Five of Swords. Clarify the Five of Swords, please. Seven of Swords. Seven of Pentacles is here. Seven of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Wala. Ang advice sa'yo, actually, i-continue mo lang yung pagiging successful. If you're already successful, ituloy-tuloy mo lang. Kung ano man yung dapat baguhin mo dito, maybe yung pagiging mabait masyado. Because, yun nga, namamanipula ka because of this. And I feel like you should learn how to fight. Kasi kaya mo may kakayahan ka. And may kakayahan kang umalis sa isang sitwasyon. May kakayahan kang labanan itong mga tao na magtatangka sa'yo. So, maybe you have to be more aggressive. Can you see this? Itong picture dito, there's a wolf behind, but you're hiding. This is you're hiding, nagtatago ka. Pero you do have all the swords. Sobra-sobra yung panglaban na kaya mong gawin doon sa mga taong nagtatangka ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Nagmamanipula sa'yo. Mga naiinggit sa'yo. Jealous people. May kakayahan kang labanan sila. So maybe you have to face your fears. Harapin mo yung mga kaaway mo, kalaban mo. And be strong. Okay? Kasi wala ka namang mapupuntahan, guys. Wala kang mapupuntahan. Makikita ka, mapapansin at mapapansin ka. No? Kahit magtago ka, kahit wag ka magpakita sa kanila, kitang-kita yung success na nangyayari sa buhay mo. They can smell you. Sa kahit anong tago mo, makikita ka. It looks like, yung babae dito, it looks like Red Riding Hood. Alam mo yun, yung parang istorya ng Red Riding Hood, and this is the wolf. No? And this wolf can smell kung ano man yung mga nangyayari sa'yo, dala-dala mo. Ikaw mismo, naaamoy ka nila. Yun, yung wolf dito is yung kalaban, kaaway. No? Kahit saan ka pumunta. Okay? Lagi kang mapapansin itong mga ito. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? So anyway, sige, kumuha tayo ng konting reading for love kasi hindi nakakonsentrate sa love ang ating reading for today. But anyway, kukuha tayo ng messages for love for Virgos. I don't know if you're dealing with an earth sign. Okay, for Earth sign is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, ha? For love, 10 of Wands is here. 6 of Pentacles. If you're moving on, nagtatagumpay ka sa pag-move on. Some of you, marami kang obligasyon or marami kang responsibilidad. Maybe even this person nakakonect mo. Pero, it's okay. You have the 3 of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Continuous kasi yung pang-growth, yung growth para sa'yo. Pagdating sa career mo, etc. Pwedeng ikaw yung may time or may kakayahan na tumulong. And, which is okay lang naman. Dahil meron ka namang maitutulong. Although mahirap para sa'yo, although mabigat, I find this card na parang sisiw lang, kayang-kaya na ikaw yung mag-handle sa person na kakonect. If you're single, mag-ingat ka sa mga taong tumutulong sa'yo. Financially. Kasi kung hindi man sila ngayon hihingi ng kapalit, utang na loob, parang ganun. Maybe in the future. So, let's move on in the near future for you, Virgos. Near future for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Virgos. I don't know kung ang tawag doon sa ano. Yung alam mo yon, biglang nag-cramps yung paa. Cramps ba yon? Ngimay or cramps? Kasi I just felt something na may kinalaman parang sa lower area. So, that could be your legs. So, cramps. This could be your reading. Pwedeng recently nagka-cramps ka or nito-nito lang. So, may ano pa. Or nangingimay ang mga paa. This could be your reading. In the near future for Virgos, please. In the near future for Virgos. I don't know why you're scared of your spirit guides, by the way. Meron ako nakuha dito. Nandiyan yung spirit guides mo with you, lagi nakabantay sa'yo, but you're scared of them, pag nagpaparamdam sa'yo or what, nangangamusta lang yan, wala lang yun. Or maybe hindi lang nila sinasadya na maramdaman mo sila. No? But anyway, they are your guides, huwag ka matakot. Wala silang, mararamdaman mo yun kung ang intention ba nitong mga nagpaparamdam na to ay hindi maganda, diba? You would feel that. Yung iba sa inyo, medyo duwag ka talaga eh. So, anyway, future. For some of you na may business, may decision kang kailangan, or may decision kang gagawin pagdating sa iyong negosyo, no? If you're a businessman, businesswoman. And I feel like, wait lang, I would like to clarify this. Spirit guides, angel guides, please clarify the King of Wands and the Two of Swords. Regarding sa desisyon na kailangan mong gawin, so ang desisyon na kailangan mong gawin ay dapat sundin mo kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. Maybe yung ang tawag dito, yung lakas ng pakiramdam mo, gamitin mo yan. You are very spiritually knowledgeable and malakas ang iyong intuition. So, gamitin mo yon. I feel like that is the advice. Pero, yeah, this King of Wands is clarified by the Page of Cups and the Tower. So, kung ano man yung mga bagay na nawala, I feel like there's something na nawala or mawawala. There's this ending with the Tower. hayaan mo lang. Like, you have to concentrate on healing. Yan, nagpakita din sa atin ng Ten of Swords. So, mag-concentrate ka sa healing. And, kung ano man yung nag-end, dapat lang yun mag-end dahil hindi na nag-grow. Hindi na siya nag-grow pa. You know? And, kayang-kaya mo kahit wala nito mga bagay na ito. Makomportable ka lang na kung ano yung mga mawawala sa'yo, ay dapat lang yun mawala. Whether these are people na tumutulong sa'yo and you feel like sila na yung nagiging paa mo. They're the ones na nakakatulong para sa'yo. But for some of you, this could be a staff or empleyado or maybe a friend na mawawala sa buhay mo or dito sa area na ito ng pagdating sa car if you're a businessman. But anyway, dapat lang mawala itong mga taong ito. Okay? And tell me more. What's with the Page of Cups and the Tower? Yeah, the Page of Swords is here. They are being immature. I feel like with the Knight of Pentacles, ibinigay mo yung lahat but naging immature lang itong mga ito. So, I feel like this is a people or a person na mawawala but you have to release them. You have to release them. And anyway, with the Eight of Swords, yeah, I can see possible mga pambablock in the near future. But with the Knight of Cups, I can see new beginning, not new beginnings, but I can see offers in the near future for you. So, may mga offer para sa'yo with the Six of Cups. I feel like this is something na kailangan mo, mas kailangan mo. And it would help you grow. Matutulungan kang mas mag-grow. Ibibigay sa'yo yun. And what's with the Knight of Cups? What's with the Knight of Cups? So, ito yung nag-clarify, which is the Justice card. So, I feel like it has something to do with career. Maybe may bagong career na i-offer or bagong career na dadating sa'yo. Okay? And the Page of Wands, I can see new messages, Ace of Swords, na that could lead into something na maaaring with the Seven of Cups. Mas mahihirapan kang maabot nitong mga kalaban or kaaway mo na ito. No? Pag na-achieve mo itong or pag nakuha mo itong offer na ito, mas mahihirapan na sila mag-reach out, mas mahihirapan na silang maabot ka, makita kung, like, you will no longer need to hide. Hindi mo na kailangan lalo pang magtago for some of you. Dahil hindi ka na talaga nila maaabot. Okay? There's this tower but it feels like kung ano man yung nag-end, dapat lang siya mag-end kasi ayun nga, may mga bagong opportunities na naghihintay sa'yo. And hindi mo na kailangan maghintay, guys. Okay. So, anyway, yeah, hindi mo na kailangan maghintay kasi that will be soon. Itong Knight of Cups na opportunities na paparating sa'yo na mas kailangan mo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.